Good morning. Another session with me today. I am going to make sandwich tray, different assorted ones. You will see what the changes that I've done on the sandwich as we go through it. All right. So first, what we've done is we've taken the sandwich. Very simple, guys. Don't need to, fret about it and get nervous, how it will come and all that stuff. Don't worry. So what I've done is I've taken a melted butter with little garlic and rosemary in it. You can actually take one butter which already has all of these things. Okay, you don't have to do what I've done here. You can always do that, but I didn't had that choice, so I just, I had some rosemary in my garden and garlic, so I just did that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do this to the bread. So my base is going to be, for the butter, is going to be the same for both the assorted sandwich that I'm going to make today. Okay, so anything, right? It's just, life is already so complicated. Why make the food also complicated? Just keep it simple. So thing is, in Indian families we have lot of and this is the season, summer, mango pickle. We have so many mango pickle. Hold on, guys, somebody's calling. I'm going to decline that and then we'll go ahead. All right, so mango pickle, right? So what I've done is I've taken the masala, what is it called, from the base of the thing. Of course, you can always take the mangoes also and cut them into small pieces, and you can do that too. So here we go. And there's garlic in here. I'm not going to take that off because garlic is good for health. I'm already drooling with it's like, smells amazing already, the mango pickle. I made the mango pickle, by the way, right? You've seen my other video, or have you or not? I don't know if I've posted that yet, but I've already made mango pickle. Oof, so tasty. And that's it. That's our simple base. Only thing is we are going to add some potatoes on top of it. So potatoes, your choice of spices that you want to add in it, your choice of if you want ginger, garlic, onion, green chilies, you name it, you can add any base, salt and everything else, like you can add anything that you want for your base. So a bit of pepper. Pepper is good for health. So there we go. And we are going to do that. I'm going to put my plate in the side. Switch on the gas. There we go. Make sure your heat is little bit between medium to high, because we really want to get those sandwiches really good. And in this you can add a little bit cheese too. Why not add a cheese? Let's do some cheese also here. So for one, I'm gonna add a little bit of, very little though. There you go. See, I've added one cheese for one of them. Choices, guys, options, possibilities, end of possibilities. Like, you have so many possibilities. So here, I'm gonna put the butter again on top of the bread here on one side, and we will put that side down first, and then just a little bit. I'm gonna turn and then show you. There you go. See that? There you go. So it's all done. I'm gonna lower the heat on my tawa, and this is done. This is one kind of sandwich which we based with mango pickle base. So that's one kind. We've done with that. Now I'm going to do another one, which basically going to be very fresh one. So same concept, but this is going to be little different. We're just going to add, you can see I'm just adding I can't put that on the tawa, it's too hot for me. So here we go. As I said, I'm just going to take the same base. So for this, we're not adding anything, we're just throwing it here. I'm just going to let me bring this plate. So it's almost done too. So let me just take this and see. Yep, there we go. Just turn it. I am just looking for little crispiness here on this one. Okay. So let's not burn this and then. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut the one which we made. Easy to eat, amazing taste. If you want half cut, you can do. If you want to make them 4 squares, so it's easy for people, the family to eat it. There we go. 4. Using the pizza. Well, who cares, right? Did it work? So done with that. Then we'll enjoy once this is done too. There we go. Switch off the gas. Whew. Hot, hot, hot. Here we go. The things that will go in here. There it is. So here is the base of this ketchup. I didn't have much salsa word in there, so let's not. Here we go. The base is. You can make the base different also if you want. And I've taken the Dijon mustard. That's what I like. I don't like the plain mustard. And of course, not much. Use it. It's not down, it's down. Usually for this one I bring the big sandwiches so that it's easy to assemble, but that's fine. Today we will just, and I've taken some guacamole, so we'll add. There we go. I'm going to add onion, 1 tomato, anything you can add. I'm going to add a lot of it here, but you can just skip the things that you don't want. So my husband doesn't eat olive, so he doesn't like olive, but he's good with pickles. So cucumber, pickle, jalapeno, tomato, and some lettuce. Definitely you know what? I'm gonna use a different spoon. I don't want it to get. So either you can put it on top of it, or you can use it in a base here. So it brings off flavors too that way. And definitely you can add cheese too. So there you go. There we go, guys. Isn't that amazing? How simple was that? And then you have to have a lot of energy to cut it. We're not professional grade here, so cut and eat. If you can't cut, don't cut and don't eat. Whatever. Here we go. You see how beautiful that is? So you can bring the Subway sandwich bread too, and it comes out really good with that. But for that, when you burn it, just be careful because that bread gets burned pretty fast. There you guys, amazing multiple sandwich, assorted sandwiches, and fresh sandwich, easy to make, doesn't take long time if you have all the ingredients. And then of course mix and match whatever you want. Like my husband would like to have Tabasco sauce, hot sauce on top of his sandwich. He loves that. My kid loves to add cheese on top of it. Add cheese on top of it. Whatever, you know, so many choices and so many options. I said endless possibilities. I hope you like it. I'm already drooling here, so I'm gonna start eating. Wish you all the best when you make it, and I hope you will like my channel and subscribe it. All the very best, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.